I'm taking a right. You're welcome to come with. Hug the left bank down here though. There's some bad things on the... Wow, look at that. Oh no, I thought the train had broken in two. All good, all good. Oh, this is Sid's, mate. Sid's Rapids. Chicken chute on normal on the left. If you want to go normal, just take the left-hand side. This is a chicken chute down here. If you're coming with me, hug the left bank. There are bad things on the right, so just follow. You'll see them, but it's actually easier this way. I've shot this before, in this level, in this boat, all is fine. Go, go, go. You're good, you're good. Don't let me block you. Yeah, all good. Mate, that boat was in the way. Oh, all good, yeah. You'll get pushed to the right. All this water will push you into those trees, so just, yeah, cut left and more left. Wow, there's a waterfall. Yee-hoo! That's the right way today. Cut left, cut left, cut left. Big, big. There's a tree in the water too. Left's enough for you? All good, all good. I did not mean to go backwards down the frickin' chicken chute. Sorry, you're good, you're good. That's the hole. You missed the hole, you're sweet. But you hit the hole. I've fallen in the hole at 1.5. It's not pretty. But that's the thing. Hug the left bank down there, and it's a doddle, isn't it? There's a couple of eddies. You go. A couple of eddies, but that boat, where that guy was wrapped on the left, that's where you go. But I thought he had blocked it, so I yelled at his right. But all the spectators were saying, no, 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 left, left, left. So we headed straight for that wrapped boat. And I hit it, but I came round, and that's where you have to be on that left side. But, were you okay? Was it big? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I reckon that's easier because turning left in that sort of current can spin you out, like I did. Exactly, exactly. So you actually took the better way, yeah. Woo! I survived Sid's Rapids. It is, isn't it? So 1 point. Oh, nice one. You found got a spare one. Where's the guide, you know? Oh, sweet. Well done. Will you be alright handling it, or do you want a hand? Sorry? Oh, in the water? Yep. Yep, 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 yep. I'll do it. So this, no, we should be right. Give it a push, quick, quick, quick. There's trees coming. Push it, give it a push and just power it across. and then I'll just continue on. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Do that some more. Hopefully before that tree comes. Yeah, no, perfect. Just look at, watch yourself now, watch yourself. I can take it over if you paddle on now. Yep, perfect. Chuck it in. And if it doesn't go to that eddy, I'll chuck it in the next one. Perfect. Watch the tree, watch the tree. You good? Awesome, no worries. Is he downstream? Alrighty, I'll give him a yell. Cheers. Come up, mate! Neil! We got your boat, Neil. Upstream, mate. He's on the bank. He's got your boat. No worries. Ah, Neil, how you doing? It's a one piece, it's just up there. No worries. Woo! That was big. Okay.